984.50 you can see is where we were trading. We were just kind of hanging around all night into the job list numbers, which again are being spun as positive, but I don't. They were expecting 600,000, 584,000 were lost this time, which again is not good numbers, but the market is reacting. You can see the move here. We went from 980 to a new high of 986, so we are on a breakout move here. I guess 1,000 is in our targets. That would be a nice number for the actual print close of the markets tomorrow at July 31st. So we end July technically. We ended it 2 days ago, but the market calendar does continue trading. And although most funds have closed, July 31st is tomorrow. You can see here there was a nice little flag, boom, that set up last night. Again, if you're trading overnight, here was a pattern, which I, again, don't trade a lot of patterns, but if this was a intraday type move, this might have been a pretty good pattern here to break out. When that broke out, and you can see everybody else there in Europe, when this broke out here at 970, got long, and we again did proceed up quite nicely. So that's where we are. Again, here is the flag here that broke out from yesterday, really after the market closed, and we have proceeded to go up. So you've had this huge, really from 970 to 986, 16-point move again overnight. Again, all the moves are happening pretty much overnight. We closed yesterday around 974, but you can see this is where that move came on a 10-minute, 2-day chart. So that's pretty easy to see. We are now, again, above the recent high of 984, and we'll see how the market reacts. Again, these jobs numbers, if you dig in a little bit, really aren't that impressive, but this market just wants to go higher, and you can't fight it. And the pivot being below, the things you look at every day from a trading perspective, and that's all you care about is trading, listen, our pivot is 976.25 today. So you want to be long, and we're already 10 points above that. You want to be long any pullbacks to that 976 today, and you want to be short below 974. It's that simple. That keeps you on the right side of the market. Look for opportunities to buy. I would suppose if you could get a move, some type of retracement from this 976, somewhere in the 980 area probably would be a good entry right off the get-go. There's support there. Our low on the day is actually right around 976, so we did tag that pivot at around 1240 Pacific. So that was the first time that you would have had a chance to buy the pivot. Again, if you're trading 24/7, that's one thing. I prefer always to trade. I don't do too much trading overnight, although lately most of the moves like this have been coming overnight. No big deal. I don't lose sleep over it. There's always trades missed when you are out there trading. So again, you got to make the decision if you want to trade 24/7. If so, the pivot's always there for you, and you knew the pivot was 976. We're opening here 983, already 8 points or 1% above the pivot. New high was made today, 986. Oil is up $1.20. Again, follow oil. As oil goes, so goes the market. All assets are moving in concert right now. So keep this in mind. And the open is here. And again, look for pullbacks to be a buyer.